So 4.1 gets into properties of linear functions and models. Remember, linear functions are in the form of this f of x. If I get this to work here, f of x equals, oh, we lost what happened there. So f of x is going to equal mx plus b. So one thing's about linear functions is the slope concept. So for a function to be linear, there must exist this constant rate of change, which we call the slope. So the change in y over the change in x has to remain constant. It doesn't matter what order pair you're looking at. So if you look at the x's, they're already in order. So notice how the rate of change from a -1 to a 0, that's an increase of 1. 0 to 1 is an increase of 1. 1 to 2 is an increase of 1. 2 to 3 is an increase of 1. So notice how the x's have a constant change. For it to be linear, the y's have to also have a constant change. So if you go from a -1 to a 1, that's a constant change of 2. If you go from a 1 to a 3, that's a constant change of 2. 3 to a 5, that's a constant change of 2. 5 to 7, that's a constant change of 2. So this does have a constant change, 2 over 1, or 2. So if every 2 changes in the y values, the changes in the x is also about 1. So yes, this is a linear function. So since it is linear, determine the slope. So the slope of this function in simplified form would be 2. So it is linear, therefore it does have a slope.